Everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing very well. So let's go ahead and continue our journey in Movies Hunter application, and we want to build in this to feed you this one and next one the actors. So let's see the final version. If I go to the actors, it show all the actors, okay, and as well as you can see here there is like page nation. Okay, we're going to do the page nation as well. When you click in the any actors, title, blah blah blah, information, the last movie, credits, and etc. So let's go ahead and see how we can do this. Clearly we need routes for this, so we have the routes, so but we don't have any page refer to that route. So let's go ahead and see. No, we don't have any route, so let's set up one very quickly. So the path will be like this, actors, and we have name. Let's copy and paste, and let's see what we have to do. So let's call it actives, and let's onboard the component. We don't have the component yet, so let's create, let's call this actors. Okay, create a new file, call this actors component actors. Okay, so that's fine, and let's scaffold this very quickly, and let's make it div actors. Okay, let's go to the route now and try to import, which is actors from current directory, component actors, blah blah blah. So I believe like this. Okay, so we don't need to use the extension here. Okay, so let's grab this here and see if we can get something in this page. Alright, cool. So we have the page now. So let's make this work like this. So we have popular actors here. So let's go ahead and do the actors, and let's make a container. And I will align it in the middle, and I will give it margin left and right x and y. From the top to the left I will give it 16, and I will grab this. I will maybe put h2 maybe. Alright, cool. So we have this, so let's style this. So let's make this text maybe, or yellow, and text large maybe. Alright, so this yellow doesn't work, so have no idea why. So orange maybe, it doesn't work as well. So okay, so I forgot about this, should be yellow, and let's give it 500. Alright, cool. So we have it here, but let's change the font, make semi bold. Cool. So we have this bad boy here. So let's put these lovely ladies here. So how we can do this, how we can last. Okay, so we need items, and we need the grid. Okay, so let's make the grid system, because we need to make it responsive as well. So we have a grid, and a grid columns 1 and small in the screen. I would make it maybe 3 maybe. Okay, so in the small we need 2, not 3, and let's make it at 4 for medium, and for the large let's make it, see here, grid, not the grids. Okay, and let's make it maybe large of, okay, let's make it 3 here. Okay, cool. So we have this bad boy here. So let's make item here. So we have items, actor, item. Okay, if you, let's scaffold this very quickly. Okay, so we have the image, so let's go ahead and do the image and do this as well. So let's make copy page address and let's make div for the image. Okay, so let's make it like this for now, and let's use this bad boy. Let's import in the component actor items from, where is it? So not in the current directory, here and here. Let's register this very quickly. Actor items maybe. Alright, cool. So let's use it, and I will make here cool. So we have this lovely lady here, but it doesn't do too much, so let's make the name and make this lovely text as well. So how we can do this, let's make this in H3 maybe, and see what we have. Cool, so we have this. Let's make this lovely text, and we'll make it dynamic shortly. So B, cool. So we have it here. As we can see here, the text, not happy with the text too much, so let's make text gray of 500 maybe or something. Yep, so it's cool. Let's make it 400. Okay, so this very nice, and the grid system will work just fine. So let's copy and paste this more and see if the grid, yep, so cool. So clearly we need gap. Okay, gap, maybe I will make it 8. Okay, all right, cool. So we have blah 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 this here. So let's go ahead now and yes, do the API call. So we need to use it in the API. Okay, so let's grab the backend API point. Yes, so I will bring, so this is the API call. So this is what we're going to need, and we need to pass the page, because we need to make pagination simply. So we'll do it just like that. So let's see how we can do this. Come here, and I will create mounted, and this will be called something in the methods. All right, cool. So the first one we're going to do is fetch actors. Okay, we need, so this what will be, as we learned before, response this dot http dot get. What we want to get, we want to get this bad boy with the pagination like that. Okay, a plus what, a plus the page, which will be here. Come back here and put it here, and yes, so this async. So we have awaited, and we have to make async like this. So we have to await this to finish before jump to the next line. So let's now grab this here. Okay, so everything is perfect. So let's go ahead now and try to put this information in the DOM. What I'm going to do is, as usual, do data and this. Okay, this not, we can define it like this, or we can make it like this. So what we want to return is actors array empty, and put blah blah blah, and let's use this split boy. So what we have, the actors equal to response dot data dot results, and let's make try and try and catch dance here, and let's see. Cool. So let's make this, and we have some error, not defined. Okay. All right, cool. So we have it here now. So let's use this bad boy and loop through blah blah blah. So what we have to do is to make for and actors in actors. We need the key as usual. So for the key, I'm not sure if the API has. Let's see if we can do something here. Yeah, here we go. ID. We have the ID. Okay, so we have the ID. So actor.id and see what we have. All right, cool. So we have nothing because we didn't call this method here. So let's do this and one, and should be something cool. So let's grab this information and here in the DOM, but I need to pass the actor as a props here, which is actor equal to actor, and I expect it actor here. So let's make a props, and this will be require true. Cool. So let's see what the information have in the postman. So we have the name, and we have a long paragraph. Okay, we'll take a little bit from it. So, and we have the image as well. So actor.name maybe. Yep, so the name is changed successfully. And let's do the image as well, or oh yes, do the image as well. Okay, so the image will be here. So this will be like this, and make profile image. Okay, and let's create computed. And what we have in the computed, we have profile image, and let's return, and I have the link blah blah blah, which is here. Okay, and I need width like this and the height, and let's make this actor dot, I believe is profile bet, and see if this work. So no like this. We have to okay, profile is not defined, profile blah blah blah. So I have an error here. So computed. Okay, sorry about this. So this should be like this, and this should be like this. Okay, cool. So we have nothing here. Okay, cool. We have so all the actors here, but let's make the text here and see what we have to do with the text. Yes, very quickly. So let's go ahead and do the text. Okay, so this what the actor is known for, like this some movies what he is famous like this Parasite blah blah blah. So let's go ahead and see the postman. So the postman is known for, okay, we have to loop through this. So let's make another computed property called known for. Okay, and let's see how we can do this computed here, and we have the actors. So let's loop through. So let's make it, I'm not going to change. So no, honestly, so make it lit, and we have the actor here. So we have to loop through this actor. What exactly? Known for length -1. Okay, -1. Cool. So we have this here, and we need to make the increase for the I11. Okay, will be fine. Then let's make here string. Okay, known str, because I need it in one line. Okay, and let's check if this include in the string. first, but let's do the concatenation first. Merge them together, which will be very easy, like this. Which one? The first one is I to title. So this will make the trick here, but we have an error, non-standard, blah blah blah. So let's return this. So this handy come in the picture. He told you that I don't know, you have never used it, so immediately you know there's something wrong here. Okay, as we can see here, it shows some results. Okay, very cool, very cool. And yeah, so that's it, guys. So but let's do the function. When you click, take me to the actors page, details, sorry. So we have actor details, and we don't have route for it, isn't it? Let's go to the route, copy and paste this, and let's make it actor.id. We can use the slag, but in the future lesson we'll do the SEO as a feature. Alright, so we have actor. Let's call this actor detail, and what will be here is actor detail, and let's grab here, blah blah blah, and here, and let's go ahead and use this route cannot resolve, blah blah blah, actor details. Let's make it without the S. I don't know, see the SY here. Okay, cool. So we have this bad boy, so let's careful very quickly. Hey, okay, so let's make this clickable by make link here. So we can make this whole link, okay, or make it inside here. It's completely up to you. So I will make it here, maybe, so we don't need this as well, so hope we don't break anything. All right, cool. Yeah, so this we need 2 here, and go to act. As we learned before, we have to use it like this, not this one. Okay, and I want to go to actor details, I believe, and let's make it actor. Okay, and what will be ID is this dot actor dot ID, like this, and this should do the trick for us. But let's confirm this is the correct. No, make the actor like this. Okay, so and this one should click here, so we have it here. So let's go ahead and see what behave we have here. So we have photo and we have this. So let's go ahead and design this. Okay, actually the lesson get 18 minutes now long. I don't want to go beyond the 20. So in the next lesson we're going to do this page, then we will do the pagination for this as well. Yeah, thank you guys for your watching. Please subscribe and like, and wait for more feature and more episode for this series. Thank you guys, bye.